Hey Foxes, I'm back with a new video. Like the freaking 10th time I made this. I've hit the button that stops it. So, okay, the point of this video is I'm gonna be skating down a hill. So I'll be right back when we're at the hill. Okay? Okay guys, here I'm back at the hill. Look how big this hill is. No, I'm just joking, that's not the hill. I think that would be the hill. Just wait till we get around this corner. Hey guys, I'm at the hill now. It's a freaking steep hill. Last time I crashed on it. See, look. It's not that big of a hill, but I crashed on it. 1 second, I don't want to videotape these old people, so I'll be right back. Right now. Almost got hit by a fucking truck. It fucking scared the shit out of me. I almost fucking fell. Again, that would have been the second time I fall. So, fucking scared the shit out of me. I wasn't looking, I was looking at you guys, and I fucking, god damn, that scared me. Like, the truck was going down the hill. Like, it was coming down that hill. I was around, like, right there. You know, I almost fucking fell on my ass. Because I fucking swerved so hard to this second lane. Let's get the shit out of me. This is kind of a bad road to skate on. It's not that it's smooth, but right here, it's like a bad place, bad town. Well, I wouldn't say bad town. I would say it's a good town, part of town, but it isn't like that good. See, I went down this hill last time, and I fucking biffed it. Holy shit. Let's get the shit out of me, though. I almost fucking killed myself. I could have broken my phone. Everything would have been broken. Everything. Because that freaking scared me. I'm gonna end the video here. So, next video might be gaming, might be a vlog, or just talk about my life. So I'm gonna end the video here. So, bye guys.